DJ Lollipop tried him on apart. That's why I'm boasting them.
Right now, for the DJ them are the most. DJ Lollipop. Lollipop, what go on, father?
They are in a rich ally.
Like my father. Right now, I know how the journey start off.
Well, the journey start off. We are on one part, you know. Grew up off of rap, you know. Be a rap music, you used to listen. Listen to Eminem, Slim Shady, from him a Slim Shady back then time. You know what I say? From Dr. J. Be old school rapping you used to listen to. And then we say, you get a love for the rapping.
But in Jamaica though, we're not really focused on rap, but in Jamaica the rap is not a thing for Jamaican culture.
I used to hear that wholly. But the thing is, when we used to go up on some show, we used to shell it down.
Love it vibe.
Yeah, me and my brother, Badex. I have a thing named Ex-Brothers. So everywhere we go, man.
Fine. Every return on the street, we hear about Lollipop.
Yeah, we not put in the work or discover the whole DJing thing. Or when they are Sandals. Because we used to over Sandals in a sanitation. I wash pot and them something and play it. And
you say you used to wash pot?
We have someone who roughest time that morning. I used to wash Lollipop pot in a sanitation, being a steward. And go down at the disco one night, a DJ down there named DJ Kemar, I'm there now, but go down there and we see him set up him thing. And when I look on the laptop, I see the Sierra thing and it just look interesting. I start fool around it until I like it. And one day I just go down at ATL, go take out one laptop and link Badex and him give me some bag of song on it, and from there so I go and do the DJing thing.
Never stop.
Never stop from there so.
Yeah man. So music cannot change over that sense though, and with the change of rapping to DJing, right? Like we see a couple shows, we see a record of popular radio station. But we're not going to mention still, but you know you go. Like, let me say your congrats, bro. From starting from a spot there to this right now, you're going good. You get me, I say?
One.
Yeah, so, what more I know still, when it comes to the music, and they have a good thing right now with the trap dancehall, reggae dancehall, old school dancehall. Like, you find any issue, like, between the three?
Well, everything comes with changes, you know. And you will never get back the music for sound again like how it used to sound back in the 90s dancehall. That's one of the best part of dancehall.
Broadcast Commission put up one out where them ban certain type of lyrics in music, like words such as scam, Mali, and them. That affect your type of playing?
No, you know, because the music is so wide, you have a whole heap of different music to choose from. And when them ban them song, it make you can go back to some song where you now play. We stop play how long, you can go back to certain songs from all 2016, them kind of song the way. Yeah, because we never used to hear about Mali and them song there back in 2016. We never used to hear about Mali in a song and them something there. So it never really affect me. But most of the time I have some song out there where hot, where would I want to play upon the radio, but based on where the context of them have in a song you can't play.
Alright, so what advice you can give to the younger generation or who claim some lead right now in a dancer? What advice you can give to them towards the music right now? Because most people complain to the music now leave airport to just take out Jamaica's borders.
Well, my advice for them young artists is to be more creative and be more versatile. You know, because when we notice most of the artists, my same thing them come with V6, Spanitool and them something there, and chopping and Mali and be more creative.
So this guy same words are used.
The same words them are recycle over. You see me? But when you look on all the artists like Massacre and TJ and them one there and Ding Dong, them, you don't really hear them music there. And them still go far same way.
So how do you find music now to play? Like how you choose artists right now?
All who said Tamili are the baddest.
When I go to the party, I just look in at the crowd and watch the vibes. And that's when we know how I go start. Because I don't really plan from my yard when I go start with. Because you might plan, say I start that way, and when you go, it's a different settings.
What different with Lollipop? Why you stand out? Why you on top right now? Because I give it to them. I know what you are saying or the streets are saying.
I do my research and put in the work, you know. I mean, sometimes we go out there and listen to the DJs. Just go listen to some other top DJ play and hear how them play.
So right now, I have to find out what makes DJ Lollipop music intense.
What make my music intense? Because I just the vibes you get when I play.
Yes.
High energy, you have your party, you have to talk about it the next day.
The man at the moment right now, DJ Lollipop, rain or fall, but a blessing. Lollipop, he goes to them for this.
Man, as you know,
Okay.
respect.